Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can hide chats in Instagram app while not deleting them. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your like under the video and write comments. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app. Go to Direct. After that, select the conversation with the person you would like to hide chat. After that, click on that person's name as it is signed. Next, select Privacy and Confidentiality. And here, friends, at the bottom, you will be able to find an option called Restrict. Click on that and confirm your action. So, as you can see, this correspondence with the person, it will be instantly hidden and deleted, you could say, from all your chats. But the person will not know about it, that you have hidden such a chat, and at any moment you can return to it. To do this, you will just need to find this person, let's say through the search or in your subscriptions or subscribers. Find this person, then click on Message. And here you will need to click on this function to remove the restrictions from the person. After that, you can immediately write to such a person, and he will never know that you have hidden the chat in Instagram. This is the very simple way you can hide chats in Instagram app without deleting them. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.